Hey, Casey Rae here. I have a really quick closet makeover video for you guys. Please ignore my very fancy outfit. Here you can see that I'm just dragging everything out of the closet that I should have gotten rid of a long time ago. There's tops, pants, tank tops, dresses. Obviously I have been holding on to a lot. I really wanted to give the closet a fresh coat of paint because there's scuff marks and it just looks really dingy and dirty in there. So you can see here I'm mixing paint samples together so that I don't have to go out and purchase more paint. It's a brave choice, I'll be honest, because I actually did run out of paint, but I mean, it's fine. The clothes cover it up. So yeah, this is pretty self-explanatory. Just getting everything out of the closet so that we can really see what we're working with. I don't actually know how we fit so much stuff in such a tiny closet, and I've decluttered a lot, so you can only imagine how bad it was before, and it's pretty bad now. And here is a up close and personal view of the scuff marks and the dirt and dust. And there's a random tribute. Yes, we do love one another. Not sure why we felt the need to document it on the wall, but we're gonna paint over it in just a second. Here I'm just getting all the random dust and everything off the molding. Yuck, that's really gross and I'm embarrassed. I still love you, I promise. I'm sorry. It's about right here that I realized that I don't have nearly enough paint and I'm freaking out. But you know what? Them's the breaks when you're cheap like me. I'm still not quite sure how 2 days worth of work only equaled about 3 minutes worth of footage, but anyways, here is the big reveal.
Didn't even get to bronze.
My favorite part of the makeover. These little shelves add so much extra space. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to give me a big thumbs up if you did. Subscribe if you haven't already. Share with your friends. You're my favorite. Peace and love.